Well, bookinghunter.com, thanks to bookinghunter.com, they are making very beautiful videos. This is the video they have made for France, visiting France. We have already came to know that France is a very beautiful country. See the beautiful park here, green walkway through the water, mirrors and mist. Beautiful. So just I am taking the help of bookinghunter.com, and I am going to tell you as what are the principle of insurance. See, principle of insurance means principle of utmost good faith, principle of insurable interest, principle of indemnity, principle of contribution, subrogation and proximate cause. These are the principles which are based on law of which are based on common law, and these principles are enumerated in Insurance Act 1938. So first discuss as what is the meaning of utmost good faith. See, in ordinary contract or in commercial contract, whatever we buy, whatever we purchase, the things are before us. Go to a grocery shop, you can see what goods are available, and you can verify the quantity, you can smell the product, you can see with your eyes what type of product is. So when we have a commercial contract, things of the contract, subject matter of the contract is before our eyes. This is known as contract of tangible. So commercial contracts or ordinary contracts are tangible contracts where information related to subject matter is known to both the parties. Come to the insurance contract. Here, suppose we are insuring our house, we are insuring our car, scooter, whatever asset, the information lies with the insured. So here the insured is supposed to reveal, supposed to tell insurance company what type of property is, what kind of asset is. So here the utmost good faith duty says that insured should declare all the details related to property which is the subject matter of insurance. So here instead of good faith, which is sufficient in ordinary contracts, a more degree of good faith, that is utmost good faith, is required. Moreover, this being a contract of intangibility, the tangibility is not appearing at the time of purchase of policy. See, after all, insurance company is giving us promise. That promise will be fulfilled when the claim arises. Unless the claim arises, there is no benefit, no tangibility. So contract will be tangible, will be seen when you actually get the money. This is the difference in ordinary contract and commercial contract. Hence, the duty of utmost good faith is more in case of insurance contract, and it is less in commercial contracts or any other contract. There, in commercial contracts or ordinary contracts, good faith is enough, whereas here in insurance contract, utmost good faith or uberema fide, which is a Latin word, duty is of superior nature. So we have dealt with first principle of insurance, that is utmost good faith. With this beautiful park of France, tomorrow we may give you a little bit scenery around the park which is located in Indore. Indore is the cleanest city of India. For fourth consecutive years, Indore city has got the prize of clean city. But look at this park in France. Of course, parks are getting cleaner day by day in Indore also. But still, sky is the limit. We have to improve upon. So I would appeal to Indorians and all other citizens in our country to make all our parks as clean as you are seeing in this picture. So let us try not to throw garbage on the street, not throw any litter on the street, make our city as clean and green as we are seeing here. Tomorrow we will show you more pictures from Indore city. Thanks and goodbye. This is our effort on behalf of Indore Insurance Institute, where we are showing you city pictures, scenery, and making your fresh mood, enjoy the videos, and learn subjects of insurance, banking, and finance. Thank you very much. Bye bye.